guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. It wouldn't be typical FunsizedStyle fashion without this kind of video being over a month late, but I just really wanted to upload it for you guys, and maybe you could use it for next year. And I just overall really love how this video turned out, and how my makeup and outfit turned out. I just absolutely love it and wanted to share it with you guys, because I love makeup and fashion, and these are the kind of things that I share with you on my channel, and I figured they could always use it for next year. I wanted to do a Christmas Day get ready with me. This was for 2018, obviously. I wasn't able to film it on Christmas morning, so I am doing it late, and I'm finally getting this uploaded. I don't know when this is being uploaded from when this is filmed, but no, it's not going to get the most views because people aren't watching Christmas stuff anymore, but I still wanted to upload it for you guys. I posted pictures on Christmas Day of my full hair, makeup, and outfit, and as you can see from this photo that my hair is much straighter, but my hair straightener broke. So when I filmed this video, it had broken. I wasn't able to straighten my hair, so now we get to embrace the full curls, but everything else from the outfit and makeup was the same. I didn't wear shoes though, just because I was at my own house. So I hope you all had a good Christmas. No, it's not Christmas anymore, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see how I got ready for Christmas Day when we spent the day with our family at our house, then just keep watching. To begin recreating my Christmas Day makeup that I did, it's pretty much what I always do, but I figured I would show it. Pretty much the only difference is the lip color, just because it was a perfect contrast with the outfit, because obviously because I wore so much red, you wouldn't want to do a red lipstick, and obviously you wouldn't want to do pink because then I would look like a giant Valentine, or rather should I say miniature. Anyways, so that's pretty much the only difference, but I really wanted to do this Christmas Day get ready with me, and so I didn't have time to film it Christmas morning, so that's why I'm filming it now. So I'm basically just recreating it, but I hope you guys still enjoy watching. So to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be using the NYX First Base Primer Spray. I like me some primer spray, so I go a little extra on it. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup BB Cream, and I'm in the shade Nude.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world. Peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joy.
Okay, so next I'm going to take my ColourPop Cosmetics No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Neutral 15. But I actually have another one here. This is Fair Neutral, and they actually both work. I don't know how that's impossible, but I have that one just in case, because I am running pretty low on this, so to see its better days, and it's almost gone. I'm doing so good at using up makeup, you guys.
When all is calm and all is bright, but why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing?
I just really like the coverage that this concealer has. It's real good. I like it. So next, obviously, I did powder, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, and I used a translucent powder. I don't know where my normal powder brush is, so I'm just using this brush, but I don't even know if you're supposed to use it for powder, but I am.
Lullabies and heaven and nature singing goodwill to.
Next, I used bronzer, and I used the Mary Kay bronzing powder, and I'm in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so I know I used highlight on Christmas Day, but I don't remember which one I used, and I just want to kind of get this tutorial moving, and all my stuff that I have is like right here. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow color. This is the CoverGirl True Naked Roses palette, and I'm just gonna use that shade as highlight for now because I just don't remember which one I used and I already have all my stuff right here, but it really doesn't matter. I didn't do anything like crazy.
I can remember with family and friends the light of...
The next thing that I did was fill in my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is one of my favorite eyebrow products of all time. I just love it because you just have really good control of this product, and it makes your eyebrows look really natural and not, obviously you can probably tell that somebody's filled in their eyebrows when they use product, but it's not like over dramatic. It's like very natural, and I love this product so much. When I ordered this, I got 2 shades originally. Like, I've been using this for a long time now, but when I originally ordered it, I got taupe and soft brown. They surprisingly both work for me. My eyebrows are like a very unique color, so they both work, but soft brown is my favorite.
Radiates, lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why does it change with the seasons? And why can't we just hold on to...
I just love the way my eyebrows turn out when I use this product. So next I primed my eyes, and I've really been liking the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I really like this product. It's been a hot minute since I've filmed, as you can tell, so I'm a little rusty.
Holy nights and angels singing love.
Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use I used the Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the original that they retired, and I'm so sad about it, but I did get it on clearance once it was being retired. I don't know if there's any available, but I will link everything that I can find as usual in the description below for you guys. This makeup look was very neutral, very like brown, like muted, just neutral, because my outfit was so bright. So I just used, I'm not going to go like step by step for the eyeshadow just because it's super easy and simple, but I basically used the color Virgin on my lid, so I used Buck in my crease and outer V, and then I used Half Baked on my lid over the top of that. So you'll see as I go along, but it's super easy.
And heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. Come let us adore.
So as you can see, just a really simple, easy eye look. I didn't want to do anything too crazy for Christmas Day. For mascara, I used the Benefit Cosmetics Tinted Their Real Eyelash Primer. I love this stuff. And then for mascara, I used the Bare Minerals Lash Domination. There's really no mascara that makes my eyelashes look amazing. I don't even know why I put mascara on, but you can't even tell I have eyelashes. And once I get the outfit on, you'll see how well this looks. But lastly, for lip color, I used the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I love this color. It is perfect for just like a neutral, like brown lip. I love this color, and it's like so underrated. It's in the shade Dubai. If you're interested, it is amazing. I will have it linked down below. So here is my completed Christmas Day makeup.
And those silent nights, holy nights.
Now it's time for the outfit. Okay, so here was my completed outfit for Christmas Day. I absolutely love how I turned out, and I got the inspiration from Pinterest. I didn't know what to wear on Christmas Day this year, and was able to find pieces that were really similar to an outfit that I like. Top is from Old Navy, and my red cardigan is from Primary.com. My black skirt is from Forever 21, I believe, and my plaid bandana scarf is from Sweat Up, but it is originally from the brand Justice for Girls. But hey, he wouldn't even know if I wouldn't have told you. I really like how this turned out.
Angels singing lullabies and heaven
really like how this makeup and outfit turned out. I just love how this video turned out overall. So I really hope you enjoy watching it. I put a lot of time and effort into this video. I know it's not Christmas anymore, not even near Christmas anymore, and I know it's not going to get the most views because people aren't looking for stuff like this right now, but I just really enjoyed how it turned out, and I still wanted to upload it, and you could always use it for inspiration next year. I was really bummed I wasn't able to upload it sooner, but I hope y'all can understand. Thank you for getting ready with me for Christmas Day. I had a really blessed Christmas, and I hope that you guys did too. This was my Christmas Day, get ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed watching. I love you guys. Bye.